I'm going to apply gel extensions and show you guys how I get them to last a couple weeks. I'm going to size all my tips and then get right into nail prep. I'm going to push back my cuticles, lightly buff my nails, and then wipe off the dust. Now that they're clean, I'm going to apply a dehydrator, which removes any oil and dries out the nail. Then I'm going to apply a layer of primer, which helps the gel stick to the nail better. Using the builder gel as glue, I'm going to apply a thin layer to my nails and cure this for 30 seconds, a thin layer on the tip itself, and apply the tip at an angle. The gel should push upwards, but sometimes if you put too much, it can leak out on the sides. If this happens, just remove the tip, wipe off the gel with acetone, and redo with less gel. Air bubbles and gel leaking out on the sides can cause lifting, so you want to make sure to redo those nails before you cure them. Now I'm just going to roughen up the surface of the nails so that the polish doesn't peel, then do a design using the shades Tickled Pink and White Canvas. I'm using a dotting tool to paint little flowers, and I make sure to cure my nails every time I switch colors so that they don't bleed into each other. Smooth things over with top coat, and now you're all done.